Doug. All right, so I want
These
you.
are clean, right?
Yeah, of course they are. They're testing. So, did you put the male or the female one on?
I think this is the male.
Yeah, this. Check it.
This is female.
That's female.
Small.
Mm-hmm. So I'm doing those, which is a lightweight. They're gonna call them the light. Well, no, I need to know about the elastic because the men I'm gonna put the elastic in the back.
Yeah, it needs to be longer for
right.
sure. Then.
And the women, they don't like it because of their hair. So I'm gonna do the female version. I'm redoing this one for male, which will have the elastic behind it, just like my other ones.
Yeah, I like this, Tina. This is fucking awesome. This is just too tight.
Well, that's because that's a woman.
Oh, it is? I thought this was.
Well, it is, but I'm going to take those off. It's too tight. So this is the women.
I think this one felt better on my ears.
Well, try it on.
This one feels a little too.
Well,
tight.
I'm going to take those off. Those are for the men version. I'm going to do a different.
Yeah, see, these feel better. It's still kind of tight, but it feels better.
Yeah, but for women, you're a male face. So for female, that fits perfect. You see how it's smaller too?
Mm-hmm. You know what you should do too?
What?
Is do like the hospitals have.
Yeah, no.
In the back.
Yeah, it's going to have the elastic in the
Instead
back,
of,
just
instead
like
around
these.
the ears.
Just like this. It's going to have this. It's the same form.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to do it that way. Right, but that is something I was thinking because the woman came in and wanted it just because of the hair. So on the women's version, I want to do that, and the male's version, I want to do it the same as I always did, with the elastic behind it, like this. So
that's probably way better.
Yeah, but isn't it lighter weight?
It is way lighter weight.
And for you that doesn't want to wear a mask, you would wear that, right?
Yeah, I'd wear it.
Yeah, so you know what I mean? So,
only because it's an American flag.
Right.
I wouldn't wear the blue, I wouldn't wear the white, I wouldn't wear the black. I'd keep it patriotic. Although all this shit is unconstitutional, I'd still keep it.
Well, that's the point. I was saying, you'd wear one of my masks, even though you don't approve.
To protest the unconstitutional.
Right, you would wear
lockdown.
one of my flag masks.
Absolutely.
Well, everybody, just wanted to let you know that this is something that we're going to do. I know that Rhode Island is now mandatory, but I'm doing a RIBSTOP, which is a very lightweight, because I know that this fabric is definitely virus proof. It's RIBSTOP, and this is for the little children. This is a solid color, little girls, kids, teens, and this is what they're going to look like. See the strap here? I actually did one. I did one already. Look. See, this is the version, but I didn't do the other ear because it's the women like that.
Yeah.
So that's the same one, the same weight, RIBSTOP, but with the elastic. Try it on. You see, and you don't feel like you see what I mean? It's better, right? And then you have to form it, of course, because it's got copper wire.
Everybody's.
But you can wear glasses with that, and it's summer. You got to consider glasses. People wearing sunglasses. So, do you like that one better?
Yeah, it's easier to breathe out of.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You still got to breathe. These
it's
people
way
that
easier to breathe
people
out
that are wearing
Holy
N95, they don't realize that those things are only meant for a short amount of time and not supposed to be worn more than an hour, right?
All right, so for being your handsome model, I want one of these American flags.
All right, I figured you would. All right, everybody, this is Tina Melo from the Melo Project Runway for the Youth. I have not been, and Ricky was a veteran, so he is very much trying to keep the Constitution
alive
and well. And although there is protection and order, it still doesn't mean that our constitutional rights have to be ignored.
Right.
But in the meantime, I do want to keep up our patriotic constitutional rights. And I do want everyone safe, but I also want people wearing something that's definitely something that's going to protect you even from the common cold. And it's a very lightweight RIBSTOP. I am making them with the N95 filter lining. And this, you can still breathe, which is very important. We don't want people passing out. But this stuff is breathable, waterproof, and lightweight. And support a local nonprofit who has not been able to teach or take students or do fashion shows. And since the corona, so please support your local Made in Rhode Island. Ciao.